Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. This time po, our topic is about the Cook Civic Questionnaire, the démarche administrative, okay? Formation civic po tayo, okay? So, why do we need to have the Cook Civic Questionnaire? What are our objectives? One of our objectives is for the cours civique, which is very important because la formation civique est obligatoire. Elle constitue une étape clé de l'intégration en France. Donc, the formation civic is now obligatory, okay? Because we need to be integrated in France, because we work here in France. And one of the objectives for the formation civique est comprendre les principes et valeurs de la République française. Understand the principles and values of the French Republic. So I prepared more questions for this, so that we will know the démarche administrative pour le cours civique. First question. Pourquoi la domiciliation est-elle importante en France? Why is the proof of address important in France? Deuxième verbe A. Elle permet de recevoir son courrier et d'accéder à des droits. Okay, it means it allows you to receive mail and access rights. B. Elle remplace le titre de séjour. It replaces the residence permit. C. Elle permet de voter sans inscription. It allows you to vote without registering. Et D. Elle est seulement utile pour voyager. It is only useful for traveling. So what is your answer, please? Is it A, B, C, ou D? We'll see. And the correct answer is, la correction is réponse A. Elle permet de recevoir son courrier et d'accéder à des droits. It allows people to receive your all mails at home and access your rights. Like, why? Justification, we have an explication. Une adresse ou une attestation de domiciliation est souvent nécessaire pour les démarches administratives, sociales, fiscales, préfectorales, bancaires et scolaires. So, an address or certificate of residence is often required for administrative, social, tax, prefectural, banking, and school procedures. That is why we need an address. Like, for example, the UDF, our electric bill. So that is also, we need that address. Also for the school and also for the bank, la banque, okay? And also for your papers. First, they need your domiciliation, okay? Your address, your permanent address. I hope it's clear. And please, lahat tayo, all of us, we have our own address everywhere. What country, wherever we are, we need to have our permanent address. And please, don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more questions and information about Cours Civic. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. À bientôt. Please like. Don't forget to like, subscribe at mag-comment po ha. Please. Merci. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.